Hello guys, I just want to show you this assistant that I created that allows you to do soccer betting, yeah, and that helps you to do soccer betting. So you send your message through Telegram, goes to the AI agent. It is connected to OpenAI, ChatGPT, as you call it. Then it has got memory, can remember your questions. It can also search the web about different games that you ask it. So you'll be chatting with it, yeah, on your phone or anywhere in the world. Let's start the conversation. Okay. Seems you're trying to start a new command or process. Say, can you help me um EPL games that should be played on the 26th of Jan 2020. 26th of Jan. You know that it's January. Oh, let's wait for the response. Yeah, so as we wait for the response, sorry to take you back. Here I'm just using these tools. Wikipedia, SAP API to fetch information from the web and to return a response. Yeah, but if you've got specific APIs that you'd like to use, you can use HTTP to do great stuff. Yeah, like all those APIs and pass the information to the AI agent to make it more accurate. Yeah. This is my question about EPO on the 26th of January 2025, and it tells that Tottenham, Leicester City, Crystal Palace versus Brentford, um, Aston Villa versus West Ham. Yeah, now this is just searching the web. Now imagine if you had an API that is giving you all this information. Imagine how this thing is going to be powerful. Now just to confirm that this information is correct, if we go to SofaScore, we can get that Crystal Palace is playing against Brentford tomorrow. So we have Crystal Palace against Brentford. Um, if Aston Villa versus West Ham, the information is here. Aston Villa versus West Ham. Yeah, so I can tell you, give me the best betting strategies. Sorry, strategies for these games and the reasons behind. behind. Yeah. So again, the same process to analyze the information, pass the information to the OpenAI chat model, and send back the response, and keep some information in their memory. Go back to Telegram. When considering betting strategies for the English Premier League matches on 20 January, it's important to access various factors such as team form, head-to-head statistics. Okay, Tottenham versus Leicester City strategy. Bet on Tottenham to win. Reasoning. Home advantage. Tottenham generally performs well at home, especially against mid-table teams. Yeah. It goes on to do the analytics. Yeah. For Aston Villa versus West Ham, it tells me bet on both teams to score. BTTS. Yeah. So I could tell it what about if I want to bet on number of goals. Give me the best strategy kg. So now, so the message are still in context. It will remember that what I'm talking about is about all these games that I asked about. Even if I don't remind it, this is made possible through this Windows buffer memory. Yeah. So if I send, what about if I want to bet on number of goals? Give me the best strategy. Okay. So analyzing. There. So now, the reason I was telling you that um, number it will remember the teams even if I don't mention it. It's because of the memory. You see how powerful this agent is. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Telegram. Yeah. So it's betting on the number of goals in a soccer match can be an exciting and strategic way to participate in football betting. So not to waste your time. So best strategy for betting on total goals. It also gives you like how you can analyze. Yeah. So going to the first game, Tottenham versus Leicester City, tells you recommendation bet on over 2.5 goals. Reasoning: Tottenham has a stronger attacking players and Leicester often concedes goals. Um, West Crystal Palace versus Brentford, recommendation bet on under 2.5 goals. Aston Villa versus West Ham says bet on both teams to score 1-1. Fulham, bet on over 2.5 goals. Yeah, though these games can be unpredictable, especially under English Premier League. Sometimes the games might be tough. But guys, all I wanted to show is that with you can take advantage of artificial intelligence and build something that can help you like do the analysis. Imagine if you had to go through all these pages like sofa score. There are some guys who offer odds. How long can it take? Now imagine if you had those APIs, let's say for sofa score, for those guys doing odds, they now pass them as a tool to your agent, your betting agent, and the agent can use that information to make a solid betting prediction for you. Yeah, you can make very good money. Yeah. So instead of you spending your time like going through the web pages every time, you can automate this process. You can add here triggers, you know, that can be running this agent like every after maybe every day in the morning or maybe in the afternoon, and you get the results. You see how simple has been made. And everything. If you want, you can keep it like this to be chatting with your agent and it will be able to analyze soccer for you. Yeah. So that's it I had for you guys. If you're interested in this assistant, you can send me, you can leave a comment. Yeah, and also you can share this video and yeah, I can also share with you the this workflow. So if you want to share a workflow, you can just download the workflow and share with your colleagues. You can share that with you. Yeah. So in short, this is what I wanted to show you. AI is going to take up everything, and we don't want it to leave soccer betting. You can use it even in soccer betting, guys. Yeah. So if you're interested, you can leave a message and I will share everything, and you can also leave your comments on what you think about these predictions. Thanks.